Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials. Update the Gmail app and confirm network access so the sign-in won't fail. Once done, open Gmail, tap the profile icon, then add another account. Choose Outlook, Office 365, or Exchange depending on your provider. You do this because the Gmail app uses different sign-in flows. Selecting the correct type directs you to Microsoft's login and appropriate security prompts. Make sure you have your password or app password handy before proceeding. Now you sign in and configure sync. Enter your Outlook email and complete Microsoft's authentication. If your account uses two-factor, approve the prompt or enter the code. Next, grant the Gmail app permission to access mail, contacts, and calendar. This ensures unified notifications and contact lookups. After permissions, pick sync settings, push versus manual, sync time range, and which folders to pull. Doing this controls battery use and data, and prevents duplicate contacts or missing events. Finish by checking that mail downloads and that you can send a test message. This confirms outgoing server settings. If mail or contacts don't appear, open account settings in Gmail and tweak folder sync, notification preferences, or sync window. One key troubleshooting tip. If sign-in fails, create an app password or enable Exchange/IMAP in your Outlook account settings, then remove and re-add the account. If it's a work account, contact your admin for conditional access requirements or mobile device management.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.